How to delete Papa John's account. So this will work with the Papa John's app, or you can do this on your computers with the Papa John's website, but I think it is just easier to do this on either your iPhone or Android devices. So right here, I'm using my iPhone. All you're going to want to do is make sure you're logged into the account that you want to delete. I've done that right here. Then you want to go to the bottom right hand corner where it says more. Go ahead and click on that more icon at the bottom right hand corner, or on the website try and find a similar section if you're using Papa John's on your computer or MacBook laptops. Once you're on the more section, it should look something a bit like this on screen, where you want to scroll down to the bottom where it says delete account. You want to go ahead and click on that delete account button there. Once you've clicked on that, the big green button in the middle there, click delete account again, then click yes, delete account, and then you should see a screen like this. That means the account has been deleted. So leave a like on the video if that helped, and subscribe for more helpful videos.